Hello, fellow enthusiasts of innovation and engineering excellence. Welcome to our channel, Mighty Machines. Today, we're embarking on a thrilling journey into the world of powerful and ingenious machines, raising the bar of what's possible. From cutting-edge construction to innovative material handling, these machines are truly on another level. Our journey begins with the Kabota L Series, a tractor exemplifying a harmonious blend of power and versatility. Its commitment to delivering high-performance solutions while catering to various farming needs sets it apart. The Kabota L Series offers a range of models with varying horsepower, allowing farmers to choose the right machine for their specific requirements. This versatility ensures that whether it's plowing, tilling, or hauling, the Kabota L Series delivers exceptional results with precision and efficiency. However, what truly differentiates the Kabota L Series is its compact design. This feature makes it agile and maneuverable, even in tight spaces. It's an embodiment of technology and engineering that caters to the demands of modern farming. The Kabota L Series showcases the role of innovation in making farming operations more efficient and productive. By incorporating technology, power, and versatility, this tractor empowers farmers to accomplish a wide range of tasks easily. Next, we have the Ventra KY 400 trencher, a machine that takes trenching to an entirely new level. What sets it apart is its remarkable engineering that transforms trenching into an efficient and controlled process. The Ventra KY 400 trencher is designed to create precise trenches with minimal disruption. Its advanced controls and hydraulic system ensure that trenches are dug accurately and efficiently, making it an invaluable tool for landscaping, utility work, and more. What truly stands out is the Ventra KY 400's versatility. It can be fitted with various attachments, allowing it to tackle different tasks on different terrains. This adaptability showcases how innovation is reshaping the world of specialized equipment. The Ventra KY 400 trencher underlines the importance of efficiency and precision in industries like construction and landscaping. Offering a controlled and accurate trenching solution saves time and labor and contributes to the overall quality of the projects. Moving forward, we encounter the Jenkins 593 Cobra chipper truck, a machine that redefines chipping and shredding processes. Its integration of power, mobility, and efficiency sets it apart. The Jenkins 593 Cobra chipper truck boasts an impressive chipping mechanism that turns wood and vegetation into valuable resources. Its robust shredding system ensures that even large pieces are efficiently processed, making it ideal for forestry and land management. What truly makes the Jenkins 593 Cobra remarkable is its mobility. It's designed to be self-propelled, enabling it to navigate challenging terrains and access remote locations. This innovation empowers efficient chipping in areas that were previously hard to reach. The Jenkins 593 Cobra chipper truck exemplifies the symbiosis of technology and sustainability. Turning waste materials into usable resources contributes to responsible land management and promotes the principles of circular economy. Continuing our journey, we delve into heavy-duty transport and material handling with the Mammoth SPM2 stone removal machine. Its ingenious approach to removing obstacles and debris from construction sites sets it apart. The Kabota SPM2 stone removal is a specialized machine that utilizes self-propelled modular transporters, SPMTs, to relocate heavy stones and materials. Its hydraulic arms and gripping mechanisms carefully lift and transport these massive objects, making way for smoother construction operations. What truly makes the Kabota SPMT stone removal impressive is its efficiency. It significantly reduces the manual labor and time required to move large stones, boulders, or debris. This speeds up construction and enhances safety by minimizing the risks associated with manual handling. In the construction industry, efficiency is paramount. The Kabota SPMT stone removal addresses this need by streamlining the clearing process and preparing construction sites. Its innovative technology reflects the continuous efforts to improve efficiency and safety in heavy-duty operations. Stepping into the realm of infrastructure maintenance, we encounter the BTE 313 Culvert Cleaning System, a machine that redefines the cleaning and maintenance of draining systems. The BTE 313 Culvert Cleaning System is engineered to efficiently remove debris, sediment, and blockages from culverts and drainage pipes. Its high-pressure water jet system and vacuum capabilities ensure thorough cleaning, mitigating the risk of flooding and infrastructure damage. What truly sets the BTE 313 apart is its versatility. It's designed to work in various sizes of culverts and drainage systems, adapting to different cleaning requirements. This adaptability showcases the machine's potential to address various maintenance challenges. In an era of changing climate patterns, ensuring infrastructure resilience is crucial. The BTE 313 Culvert Cleaning System is pivotal in preventing clogs and blockages that can lead to costly flooding and infrastructure damage. We now venture into the land management and vegetation control domain with the skid steer and excavator disc mulcher. Its ability to efficiently clear dense vegetation and manage landscapes is what sets it apart. The skid steer and excavator disc mulcher is equipped with a powerful mulching attachment that can easily tackle overgrown areas. The spinning disc effectively shreds trees, shrubs, and brush, converting them into mulch that enriches the soil. What truly makes this machine exceptional is its efficiency in transforming overgrown landscapes into manageable areas. Whether reclaiming land for development or maintaining natural habitats, the skid steer and excavator disc mulcher ensures efficient and eco-friendly vegetation control. In a world where land management is crucial for environmental conservation and urban development, the skid steer and excavator disc mulcher plays a pivotal role. It enables controlled vegetation management, reduces fire hazards, and promotes responsible land use. Moving on to vertical access solutions, we encounter the Mec Lift ML1812R and ML1612R lifts, which redefine safety and efficiency in aerial work. The Mec Lift ML1812R and ML1612R lifts are designed to provide stable and secure vertical access for various tasks. Their telescopic design and advanced controls enable workers to reach heights safely and precisely. What truly stands out about these lifts is their commitment to safety. Features like automatic leveling, outrigger monitoring, and fall protection systems ensure workers can perform tasks at a height with reduced risk. The Mec Lift ML1812R and ML1612R lifts cater to various industries, from construction and maintenance to event management and infrastructure projects. Their versatility showcases how innovation in vertical access solutions contributes to efficiency and safety. Our journey through powerful and ingenious machines reaches its culmination with the Cairo Multitasker, a true exemplar of versatility and innovation. What sets it apart is its multifunctional design that transforms heavy-duty operations. The Cairo Multitasker is engineered to tackle many tasks in various industries, from construction to transportation. Its modular design allows for swift attachment changes, enabling it to perform lifting, transporting, and even crane operations. What truly makes the Cairo Multitasker remarkable is its adaptability to different job sites and tasks. Streamlining operations reduces downtime and maximizes efficiency by minimizing the need for multiple specialized machines. In industries where time and precision are paramount, the Cairo Multitasker plays a pivotal role. It empowers operators to seamlessly transition between tasks, optimizing productivity and contributing to cost-effective operations. If this exploration has ignited your curiosity, don't forget to show your support by liking this video and subscribing for more enlightening content. Share your thoughts in the comments. Which machine impressed you the most? Until our next adventure into extraordinary machinery, let's continue to marvel at the innovations shaping our world.